quite apparent that the Arco dei Gavi isn't in its original position. In fact, this monument was in the middle of the ancient Via Postumia, in front of the clock tower of Castelvecchio and outside the city walls. This was hurriedly dismantled by the French during Napoleonic rule in 1805 because it was considered cumbersome in what was then a passageway, and then rebuilt in 1932 next to Castelvecchio using the original stones, which were conserved under the arches of the Arena. The arch, in Veronese white stone, was built in the 1st century AD, according to the wishes of one of the most important families of Verona in Roman times, the gens Gavia, who considered it a way of embellishing the city and honouring themselves. In fact, the statues of some of its distinguished members were placed in rectangular niches, which unfortunately now are empty. It is interesting to walk on the rebuilt section of the ancient Via Postumia under the arch, where you can see clear traces of the passage of wagons. However, the most fascinating feature is certainly the signature on the arch of the architect, Lucio Vitruvio Cerdone. It was quite unusual to find signatures on ancient monuments. Consequently, Cerdone was admired and studied by great Renaissance artists such as Andrea Mantegna and Jacopo Bellini, who were inspired by his forms in some details of their paintings. Recently restored and returned to its original white colour, the Gavi Arch is surely a must for novice tourists who wish to gain greater knowledge of Roman Verona.